there's several possible answers to this, and I don't want to so much take a position on it as just lay the territory out. One possible way of thinking about it is that of what we do in the last 40 years, the thing that's changed the most noticeably is the computing environment that we live in. At least I think that's true. I'm not dead sure. There might be other things that are changing just as much that I haven't noticed. But at any rate, and this is only repeating what people say all the time, in the 50s computers were full of stuff and very few people could actually get their hands on one. In the 2000s, in the zeros, it's very easy, comparatively speaking, to get a hold of a computer. And this, and furthermore, and this is also kind of a little bit what everyone is saying, the nature of what people are doing with computers is changing, so that if you think of the 1950s notion of the computer as really being something that can make banking easier or faster, then that's not the way we think so much of computers anymore. We think of computers mostly as, well, I don't know. I mean, I think of computers mostly as ways of managing information and communication, with communication being the interesting part, and the information sort of being the storage of stuff that might have been communicated to you or be useful in a future communication. So we communicate with computers through our keyboard, mice, and monitors, and then our computers communicate with each other over networks. And this sort of substrate of communication that has come up really more important than, or is really the aspect of computing that makes it what it is, right? So now going back, Edward, to my own